Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of WordPress.com, one of the most popular website builders in the world. If you're thinking about starting a blog, building a business website, launching a portfolio, or even selling products online, this video is for you. Keep watching to find out whether it truly deserves the title of one of the best website builders out there. Let's get started. WordPress.com is a hosted website builder powered by WordPress, the same platform that runs a massive percentage of websites on the internet today. That alone should tell you how trusted and established this platform is. Now, the key thing to understand is that WordPress.com is different from self-hosted WordPress. With WordPress.com, everything is already taken care of for you. Hosting, security, updates, backups, performance optimization, all of that happens in the background. This makes WordPress.com especially attractive for beginners or anyone who doesn't want to deal with the technical setup. You don't need to buy separate hosting, you don't need to install software or worry about site maintenance. You simply sign up, choose a theme, and start building. But this is not just a beginner tool. WordPress.com is used for personal blogs, business websites, online portfolios, service pages, membership sites, and e-commerce stores. As your site grows, WordPress.com grows with you. You can start for free, then upgrade when you need more customization, monetization, or advanced features. Now, let us talk about the main features of WordPress. Managed hosting. One of the biggest advantages of WordPress.com is that it's fully managed. Your site is hosted on fast, secure servers with automatic updates and daily backups. This means no server management, no security plugins, and no performance tuning. It's all handled for you. The website builder and design tools. WordPress.com comes with a visual blog-based editor that lets you design pages using drag and drop elements. And most recently, it has been improved with the idea of AI. You can create a WordPress.com website simply by chatting with AI. All you need to do is to put in the right prompts in the box. You don't need coding skills, but if you have them, higher plans might give you more flexibility. Built-in security and performance. Security is built in from day one. WordPress.com includes protection against spam, malware, and downtime. And performance is also a big focus. Your site benefits from fast loading speeds, global content delivery, and automatic image optimization. SEO and growth tools. WordPress.com includes built-in SEO features to help your content rank better in search engines. You can also track performance, you can connect analytics tools on paid plans, and you can optimize posts for discoverability. And there's the monetization options. This is where WordPress.com really shines. There are different ways you can make money on WordPress: through paid subscriptions and memberships, through accepting payments directly on your site, through donations and tips, display ads, and e-commerce functionalities which are available on the higher plans. And there's also the support platform. Paid plans include customer support with faster response times and live chats that are available on higher tiers. But of course, there's a general "how can we help you" support page where you can search for already answered questions and the answers that are provided to them. Now, what is the pricing like? You can start with a free plan. The free plan costs nothing and is great for testing the platform or running a simple personal blog. Subsequently, there's a personal plan that you can pay for at $4 per month, premium plan at $8 per month, business plan at $25 per month, the WooCommerce plan at $45 per month, and of course there's the enterprise plan that starts at around $25,000 per year. What are the pros and cons of using WordPress? Let's start with the pros. It is very beginner friendly. There are no hosting or technical setup required. It has strong security and performance, and it scales well as your site grows. There's also built-in monetization options, and it is powered by the most popular CMS in the world. How about the cons? The free plan is very limited. Full customization requires the higher plans, and there's less control compared to self-hosted WordPress. If you are an advanced user, it can become expensive for you. So, here's the big question. Is WordPress.com the best website builder? The honest answer is, for most people, yes. WordPress.com offers a rare combination of simplicity, reliability, and long-term growth potential. It removes technical barriers while still giving you access to one of the most powerful website platforms that have been ever created. For beginners, it's one of the easiest ways to get online without stress. And for creators and businesses, it provides serious tools for design, for SEO, and monetization, especially on the higher plans. That said, it's not perfect. If you want complete control from day one or you don't want to pay for advanced features, other builders might suit you better. But for anyone looking for a platform that can start small and grow big, WordPress is an excellent choice and one of the best website builders available today. And that's it on the review of WordPress. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Wix, Squarespace, and Weebly. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.